I found for you an amazing product with low competition, and at the same time, it has strong sales and high demand. If we go to this incredible product, you'll see that the seller is offering it for $1.80. And right now, it's sitting in 9 carts, which means this product is actively in demand at this very moment. Yes, people are adding it to their carts right now. This product is called Vehicles Matching Puzzle, and if we look right here, you'll notice it says Best Seller, which means Etsy has evaluated this product as a strong seller over the last 6 months. So we're not guessing, we're looking at real data. Now, if we take a closer look at this product, you'll see that it's actually very simple. The first page contains half of the vehicles, and the second page contains the other half of those same vehicles. The child cuts out the half of the vehicle from the second page, then searches for the matching half on the first page and places it right next to it. And this process significantly strengthens the child's observation skills and helps them make the correct choices when identifying objects. This video will show you in detail exactly how this product works. And right here, you can understand the idea even more clearly. The first page has 6 halves of vehicles, and the second page has the other 6 matching halves of those same vehicles. That's it. Clean concept, easy to produce, high demand. And by the way, there are many similar products, and even better ones than this. And based on my experience, I carefully selected the best of them for you and added them to my collection. This collection originally included 80 books, and now it has grown to 90 books instead of 80. 90 powerful books. All of them are perfect for Etsy and Amazon. I'll leave the link to the collection in the pinned comment and also below this video in the description box. All you have to do is go and see for yourself the amazing products I created specifically for those who truly want to succeed on Etsy and Amazon. Get them now, because there is a huge discount that will not last long. And now, let's move directly into designing this product step by step. We're going to go directly to Canva, and then we'll create a new design with dimensions 11 by 8.5. Focus with me very carefully here. In the beginning, we'll go to the Elements tab, then we'll go to Shapes, and we'll add this rectangle. After that, we'll change its color to white, and we'll add a border with a thickness of 2. Then I'll duplicate this rectangle several times and arrange them on the page so that the page contains 6 rectangles arranged exactly like this. Now it's time to add the vehicles inside these rectangles. So I'll go back to Elements and search for Vehicle. You'll find many beautiful vehicle graphics available. For now, let's start by adding this one, this red minibus. Pay close attention to this step. First, I'll duplicate this minibus so I have 2 identical minibuses on the page. Then I'll add a new page and drag one of the minibuses to the second page. Now I'll go back to the minibus on the first page and make sure it's perfectly centered in the middle of the page. After that, I'll crop the right half of the minibus on the first page. Then I'll go to the second page, make sure the minibus there is also centered exactly in the middle, and this time I'll crop the left half of that minibus. Now we have one complete minibus, but it has been split into 2 halves. Next, I'll resize it so it fits perfectly inside the rectangle on the first page. Then I'll leave the left half of the minibus on the first page and drag the right half of the minibus to the second page. And just like that, we've created our first matching vehicle puzzle piece. And now, using the exact same method, we're going to add another vehicle. Let's choose this one. Quickly, just like before, I'll duplicate it and drag one copy to the second page. Then I'll crop the vehicle on the first page and go to the second page and crop the vehicle there as well in the opposite direction, exactly the same way we did before. After that, I'll adjust the size of both halves so they fit perfectly inside the rectangles. And I'll drag the right half to the second page. And in the same way, I'm going to speed up this part, adding several different vehicles to the first page and cropping them just like we did, so the left half stays inside the rectangles on the first page and the right half goes on to the second page. Now that we're done, I'll simply go back to the first page and neatly arrange the vehicles inside the rectangles, nice and clean. Then I'll duplicate the first page like this because I want the rectangles to be empty. After that, I'll remove the vehicle halves from the second page. Now I want to hide the left half inside these rectangles. How will I do that? It's very simple. I'll duplicate one of these rectangles, remove its border, and then place it directly on top of the rectangles to cover that half. Make sure the color is white and not transparent so this step works perfectly for you. This detail is very important. Then I'll go to the third page and all I have to do is drag the vehicle halves and place them on the right side of the rectangles like this. Now the child will cut out the vehicle from the second page, go to the first page, and search for the matching half. And just like that, they're learning cutting skills and matching skills at the same time. And my advice to you, don't limit yourself to vehicles only. You can create the same concept with animals, fruits, vegetables, and so much more. The idea is flexible, and that's the power of it. After that, export the file as a PDF and upload it to Etsy to start selling. And don't forget to visit my website and see for yourself the products inside my 80-book collection. I also want to tell you that we update this collection every single month, adding new profitable products. I am confident if you use it correctly, you can generate thousands of dollars from it. I hope you benefited from today's video, and goodbye!